leaving her in the care of Queen Connie, promising he'll write her tons of letters, bidding farewell to his daughter. And he went on to go back to Vegapunk for the beginning stages of him becoming a cyborg, and soon becomes a warlord, officially. And Vegapunk asked Kuma to repel his own memories so they could be studied. And in his early years as a warlord, he goes on to visit tons of new islands and describes them all to Bonnie in letters. And around this time, he actually encounters a younger Luffy. And soon after this, he returns back to Egghead for his final modifications to become a cyborg. And he should lose his personality and free will within a year.